It's Jagan.
Hi.
And Brian.
Yeah, and Brian.
Hey.
And today we're gonna do the
Whisper Challenge. Oke. Ini adalah gimana Megan?
Whisper Challenge. Jadi ceritanya ada yang pakai headphones. What?
Headphones or earphones?
Headphones or
Anything,
earphones.
apapun untuk cover
Yeah,
up your
and there's
ears.
another person who does not wear earphones and try to say certain phrases or sentences to the other person.
Bahasa Indonesia.
1 second, Brian. There's different translators, please. I'm just saying, kamu tuh dari tadi tuh nyela terus. Asli dari tadi.
Oke, jadi caranya adalah kita salah satu dua di antara kita pakai headphones atau pakai earphone, dengerin lagu sekencang-kencengnya sampai kita nggak bisa denger apa-apa.
Yeah.
Terus orang di depan kita nanti
Yang nggak pakai earphones akan
Yes.
kasih salah satu kalimat atau apapun yang lucu ke orang yang pakai headphones.
yes.
Orang yang pakai headphones harus baca bibirnya and dapat sentence yang benar.
Yes. Ayo,
Putih-putih itu. Bener kan? Gue dulu. Can you hear me?
mampus kencebet.
Can you hear
Agak.
me? Can you hear me?
Hah?
Dia kan Can you hear me?
Hah? Serius?
Okay.
Udah.
This no belum.
Wait. Don't say it too loud, mesti kedengeran dikit.
Iya, I know. This is okay. I like playing tennis.
I like Muay Thai.
But no. I like playing tennis.
I like
Play.
me.
I like playing tennis.
I like Milan tennis. Oke, sekali lagi habis itu aku kasih ke Megan ya.
Ya, lu harus teriak.
Hah? Ngebright cepetan.
I
I like
playing tennis.
play. Aduh mampus kebuka. Oke, baik. I like play
Plain.
tennis.
I like plain. What?
I
like
like play.
playing. What?
I like play tennis.
Oh, I like playing tennis. Wait, is
Yeah.
it?
Udah, kamu ngomongnya apa? Kamu dengernya apa?
I like playing tennis.
Yeah, she's
Yeah?
not you're wrong.
Emang aku apa?
I like playing tennis.
Emang kamu apa?
I like playing tennis, which is correct.
I like playing tennis.
Oh.
Okay, I like playing tennis.
Okay.
Kurang ing. Oke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, Megan.
My milkshakes brings all the boys to the yard.
I think that one sentence. I think that one sentence. Whoa.
My milkshakes.
My pictures.
My milkshakes.
My mistress.
My milkshakes brings all the boys to the yard. Yeah, my milkshakes.
Bitches.
Milkshakes.
Peaches.
Milkshakes.
Mistress.
Milkshakes.
My milkshakes.
Yeah. Brings
All
all the boys to the yard.
Oh, my mix up burst to the board.
It's better than gold.
My
My
milk
milk
shake
shake
brings
brain
all
art
all
are all
the
the
boys
boys
to
oh my god, panjang banget. Meg.
yard.
Lo dari
My
my milk
shake
shake
She's
Brings.
screaming.
beer
brings
breeze.
all
My milkshake breeze
all
all
the
the boys. My milkshake breeze all the boys. Apa?
What did she say?
Apa?
She said, my milkshake brings all the boys.
Brings.
Brings all the boys to the
Yard.
Yard.
Apa?
Udah kan?
Oh iya, udah.
Bisa denger gue nggak?
Can you make it louder?
Bersifat.
What?
No, kembali kan. Bersifat dewasa, jauh. Salah. Bersifat bocah, lebih menyenangkan.
Wait, not too fast.
Bersifat bocah,
Bocah.
jauh.
What?
Bersifat bocah,
Bocah.
jauh,
Jauh.
lebih
Lebih.
menyenangkan.
Mencakar. What is that?
Bersifat bocah, jauh,
Bocah. Jauh.
menyenangkan.
Menyengatkan.
daripada
Bersifat bocah. Lebih sengatkan bocah. What the fuck?
bersifat bocah,
Bocah.
jauh, lebih menyenangkan daripada bersifat sok dewasa.
Oh, I got that.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, I'm trying.
Wait. Don't scream. I can hear you when you scream.
Huh?
Do not scream!
Okay.
Do not scream.
Bersifat
English or Indonesian?
Indonesian.
Indonesia.
Huh?
Indonesian.
Indo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bersifat
Make it lower. I can still hear you.
I don't know what he's saying.
Tukar.
Bersifat
Ah.
bocah, lebih sengatkan.
Apa?
Bersifat bocah,
Ya.
bersifat bocah,
Ah.
lebih sengatkan daripada sifat dewasa.
Megan sumpah.
Bersifat bocah,
Ah.
lebih sengatkan
Oh.
daripada
Ah.
sifat dewasa.
Apa? I didn't get one word. Bersifat bocah lebih keterlaluan daripada kamu. Apa?
Yeah, right?
Buka aja dah, buka.
Udah.
Buka.
Bersifat bocah lebih keterlaluan daripada kamu.
What?
Bersifat bocah jauh lebih menyenangkan daripada sok dewasa.
I
Iya.
heard sengatkan.
Menyenangkan daripada sifat dewasa, sok dewasa gitu.
Oke.
You so cute, girl. Yeah, you wear a plus.
Kayak
English ya. English.
English.
Ya. Oke.
Wait. Jangan kencang-kencang.
I
I
like
like
seeing.
beep.
What? No.
No.
I
I
like
like
being.
me. I like me.
I like
like
seeing.
cheese.
I like seeing
seeing
sticks.
Stick. I like cheese stick.
Done.
Yeah.
Done.
What are the cheese stick?
It's so loud. Oh my god.
I like
I like
cheese
chest.
chest.
What?
Stick.
I like chapstick.
I like cheese.
Stick. Stick. I like cheese stick.
Udah kali apa?
Ow!
What is it?
I like cheese stick.
Say I like seeing sticks.
Sing stick.
Seeing
She said
sticks.
cheese sticks.
I like saying sticks to cheesecake, but you're all close. To
Yeah.
chapstick, and after that, what?
Chapstick and a cheese stick. Yeah. Wait, how much wood can a woodchuck really chuck? How much wood can a woodchuck really chuck?
Oh, sakit kuping gue.
How much wood can a woodchuck?
Talk slowly.
How much wood can a woodchuck really chuck?
That just came out wrong in my mind.
Okay, let's just put the holy water. Okay.
How much do you cost for a night?
Whoa, what? That was nowhere near.
Why? How much
Wood.
would
Yeah,
it?
wood. How much wood?
How much would a woodchuck chuck?
No. How much wood can a woodchuck really chuck?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck? Wood.
Oh no.
English or Indonesia?
English.
English. English.
Okay.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck wood?
How much
Wood
word?
would a woodchuck chuck wood?
Maju.
How much would a woodchuck? How much would
How much word?
a
Hug.
woodchuck chuck
Word chuck.
wood? I don't know.
What?
How much
How much
would
word?
a
Hug.
woodchuck chuck
Word chuck.
wood?
Kasi may gapal dari awal. Kalain.
How much would a woodchuck chuck wood?
How much a hug chuck word?
Yeah.
How much? What? How much hug chuck hug?
No, what did you say again?
How much would a woodchuck chuck wood?
How much wood can a woodchuck really chuck?
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, but not really.
How hug? What? Apa tadi kau ngomongnya?
I don't
How
know what
much
you said.
would hug?
I wish I were. Mampus. I wish I.
I wish. Yeah.
I wish I wore red lipstick more and broke boys' heart.
Oh my god, what did she say? Okay, I heard I wish I were. That's what I got.
I wish I were red lipstick more and broke boys' heart daily.
I give
But-
up. I wish I were in a long
Okay,
red
aku
dress.
pendek ini. I wish I wore red lipstick more and broke boys' heart.
I wish I wore red dress and boy's heart.
One more, abis itu kamu ke Brian ya. I wish I wore red lipstick more and broke boys' heart.
Okay, I wish I were red dress more and boy's heart.
Okay, ke Brian.
What?
Like me. English, Indonesian.
English.
English.
I wish I were red dress more than boy's heart.
I wish I were a dog.
What?
I wish I were a
No,
dog.
I can't even see that. No, I wish I were.
I can hear you.
Yeah.
If you go like that.
I wish
Nowhere.
I were a red dress more than boy's heart.
You know, don't speak with an accent.
Wish I were red dress more than boy's heart.
I wish I wore a dress with, I don't know.
I don't know what she said. What did you say?
Udah.
What did you say?
I wish I wore
I
a red
wish
dress more than boy's heart.
Oh, I thought you said I wish I wore a dress. Something,
Yes, that's
something,
what I
something,
said.
something,
Nah,
something.
jawabannya adalah I wish I wore red lipstick more and broke boys' heart.
Lipstick from a dress?
I don't know.
Come on.
She said sis. Like ada S-nya.
Yeah, lipsticks.
Yeah.
Oh,
Of
why,
course.
why lipstick to a dress?
Oh, whatever. Oh,
Where
it's
are the
hard to-
lipsticks?
Whatever. I read it like that.
Hey, how can you hear me? Okay, ready? That witch is so scary.
Oh my god. What did you say? That
Witch.
witch.
That witch
Witch.
is
That witch.
so scary.
So scary.
That witch is so scary.
That witch is so scary.
That witch is so scary.
That bitch is so scary. What?
That witch is so scary.
That witch is so scary. That witch
That witch.
is so scary.
Huh?
That witch
That witch
is so scary.
is so serious.
That witch is so scary.
That witch.
What is she saying? That
That
witch
witch
is so
Is-
scary.
is so
scary.
scary.
I don't know. Did you say that?
That witch is
so
scary.
Yeah. Yeah. Really? Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Oh. Okay, let's just dance to music now.
So guys,
That's it for the Whisper Challenge.
Yay!
Thank you for Brian. Yeah, for everybody actually. Okay, so subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you think about this video, and we'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
bye.
Okay.
Intro.
One. Going down for it.
Whoa!
Like you and you never find a man.
Like me.
Walk. So hello.
Brian.
This is such a small hat.
Upside down, stupid.
Okay.
You will get blind with that.
Oh,
Dua.
I can't see.
Gue sakit ke kokas ya.
Emang nggak pakai